For 25 years, Wilbur Smith had health insurance through his job. Then he lost his job and his insurance shortly after he was diagnosed with cancer. Does it bother you that people don't have health insurance?
Initially, it didn't really bother me at all because, I mean, I always had it and I always thought that, you know, what are they complaining about?
Close your mouth. Smith says he tried to get health insurance, even though he could barely afford it, but insurers kept turning him down because of his pre-existing cancer.
It was no almost everywhere. It was quick no. Like, wow, now? In the sense they were like, now you come to us? I said, I never needed it before. I never knew how, because I always had.
Smith found his way to this free clinic in Arlington, Virginia, where he's now getting cancer treatment. Private donors largely fund the clinic, which treats about 1,600 of Arlington's roughly 20,000 uninsured. Most patients are chosen by lottery.
We get about 150 people here a month who would like to become patients, and of that number we can take about 25.
Jody Kelly is a clinic director. She says that by the time patients reach her door, they are already very sick.
It's one of those things that kind of builds on itself. Because you're ill, you're not treated, you get more ill.
Conservative opponents of Mr. Obama's health care law don't like its requirements that all Americans must buy health insurance. Ed Heiselmeyer works on health policy for the conservative-leaning Heritage Foundation.
The Republicans are against it because they consider it an infringement on their personal freedom. Democrats are against it because they don't like insurance companies in the first place, and they don't like being told that you have to go buy from somebody they don't like.
He would like to see a more consumer-driven system where patients have choices outside what their employers offer. A system where people who've always been covered remain covered, even if they get sick, like Wilbur Smith did.
Insurance, you definitely need it. It's a must. That's the most important thing of all. And if you get any help along the way, the best thing to do is to take it and be grateful.
Laurel, Bowman, VOA News, Arlington, Virginia.